In this video, I'll detail how to set time on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you discover that the time is wrong, then you can easily set its time to match your current location or change the location you want to set the time to automatically. Mark you, when you want to set time on Apple Watch, it is either you choose 24 hours time or you choose 12 hours time. With 12 hours time, you'll be able to use the time in AM and in PM, but in 24 hours time, this is going to set the time to 24 hours time and disable AM and PM on your Apple Watch. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to set time on Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, setting time on Apple Watch, is just drop your Apple Watch and then go ahead and grab your iPhone. Then once you have your iPhone with you, connect your Apple Watch and your iPhone together. You can do this using Bluetooth function. Go to your Apple Watch, press the two crown ones and go to settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, select Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Once your Apple Watch Bluetooth is enabled, go to your iPhone. On your iPhone as well, turn on Bluetooth and make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. Then once that is done, go back, scroll down on your iPhone and tap General. Then scroll down until you get to Date and Time, tap that. Then here, you should see your time set automatically. If your time is not set automatically, this is going to use the time zone you selected here. You can see I have the Oslo time zone selected, and that's why you have Oslo time displaying on my Apple Watch. Now, setting time on your Apple Watch needs to do with the time zone you selected. Then if you choose a different time zone here, let's say you choose Wales, that's the Wales time zone, Cardiff, then this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the Wales time zone on your Apple Watch. And if you select Lagos, Nigeria, like this, you're going to see the Lagos, Nigeria time on your Apple Watch. However, to automatically set your Apple Watch time, you just need to do is tap set automatically to enable this. And this is going to pick your time zone based on your network provider, and your time will be set on your Apple Watch. So that is basically all you need to do about setting time on Apple Watch. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.